Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, in today's tutorial we're going to design a birthday flyer or card. Okay, so we start. I select a white shape for my background. Okay, please, all the materials I'm going to use, you get it in the description link, so please click on the description link below and then you download them. Okay, then I bring my picture, this, I crop it, okay, I select a shape. Please follow whatever I'm doing. Select a color, then you position it well in the middle. You pick this size, okay, I position it well. It's nice. Now I bring my circular shadow. This I will crop it. This I'm bringing this. You see, I let it fit. Okay, then I send it to back. At the back of the picture. Okay, at the back of the red circle here, so that it will not show. So you position it well. Okay, then I put on my text. So celebrating a special day. I'll just decrease the size. So let's say 15. The color to red. Then I come to spacing. I increase my spacing and position it well. Okay, then I lock it. Now my happy I bring it here. Let me choose a font for it. Lemon milk. Please follow my lead. Okay, this is called a medium. The size to 40. Color, I'll choose black. Give it a white stroke. Give it some small shadow so that the white will show well. Let me spacing it small. Yes, let me spacing it. Okay, now I bring it here. Then I'll put on my birthday. But this time round, with the birthday, I'm going to make a style. So please follow what I'm going to do very carefully. Color, red. Let me choose is white, stroke, red. Let me choose a font. I will choose from the same font family. Let me see. Okay. Let me take off the shadow. Let me change the stroke to white, then the color to red. So I'll give it some small shadow. Okay, so this is the birthday. So this is my B. Okay, so I'm going to follow a process. Please follow my lead. Okay, then I make a duplicate of it. Copy. I write I. One, two, three. Okay. Please, hope you are following. The I should be closer. Okay. So let me repeat the B. To, let's say, -10. Then the I to +10. Okay. Then I make a duplicate. Please, can you check something here? The opacity to 50. That is the opacity of the letter. Then the B thing. I come to shadow, I will reduce the opacity to 50. Okay, this is okay now. Let me see. So the I for -3, so you check shadow for. Okay, now you see the layers part here. You click on the dot on the left corner, then you drag it to the down of the B. Please, have you seen it? So you can see it's as if the B is on the I. So I'll copy the I, copy, edit, I. Then I position that one too well. Rotate to -10. Okay. Let me send it back a little. Okay. Then I make a copy again. Please follow me carefully. So you see, now you can see. Okay, let me do that of the T and then show you something. Let me rotate this. Okay, so now check something. You can see that the I is at the back of the B, but the R is in front. That means I didn't take it back. So after putting on your letter, you have to take the one you've put on at the back of the first one. So let's see in our layers here. You see we have B here, the I is here, but the R and the T is on top. So the R must come to the down of the I here. So I click and hold, drag it here. The T, I click and hold, drag it here. Now let's check on our layers. You see that as the I is at the back of the D, the R too will be at the back of the I. Then the T will be at the back of the R. So let's check. Now we can see it over here. Okay, so if you don't take it and drag, it will not be like how I've done it. So you have to follow the process. So I make a copy, then H. So I send it here, then I'll rotate to -10. You see it's negative and positive 10. So I'll come here and then I'll drag the H to down here. Now you can see it. Okay, so I'll copy again. So I'm copying till I'm done writing the birthday. So you do it one by one. Yes, you must have time for it. You rotate here to 10, send it back small. You see the D is on the H, so I have to send it back. Then I make a duplicate of it. Okay, then I rotate it to -10 and I position the tool. In case you still finding any problem or challenge, please you can join my group through the link in the description below, my WhatsApp platform, and then you ask your questions over there. I'll give you answers to that. I'll make a duplicate again. So you see, it's very nice, as you can see. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel too, please subscribe, like, and then you comment on my videos. There are a lot of tutorials on my channel, so please, if you subscribe and click on my channel link, it will open so that you can watch all the tutorials. Okay, so now we can see that the Y2 is not at the back, so I have to take it and then drag it down here. No, yeah, okay, perfect. Now I want to send this, the birthday, this, it must be in the middle, because in graphics, you know, one principle is alignment. So I must send all, but I don't want to do it once. So you watch and check how I'm going to do it. So you click here, down here, then you click on the boxes. You see I've marked all the birthday, the letters I wrote for the birthday. Then I'll click here, edit, and then I'll move them together. Now you see I am moving them together. So that is how to do it, to move your things together. So I want to center it. I have to do that again. Okay. Now I have to bring it down. Okay. It's cool now. Let me minimize my red circle. So let me minimize it. I think this is cool. And I'll minimize my picture to 40. and I'll minimize my shape, the one carrying the shadow. I'll minimize it and then position it well. So you can see. Now let me still bring them down. So I mark them and then I pull them down like this. Okay. So celebrating what? A special day. Then we have a happy birthday. Let me send the happy down. Okay. Where is the shadow of the happy? Let me reduce the opacity to 50. Then the blur radius, I increase it small. Then the offset. Okay. So it's okay now. So as you can see, then I'll put on the name. So text, let me use Joanna. So Joanna, I'll choose a font for it. Where is my font? Okay, so I will choose font orthography. Okay, let me edit it because it's a script. Some part is not sure. Now it's cool. Let me increase or decrease the size to 40. Then the color, I think black will be cool. Then I position it well. Okay. Then I'll put on my date. That is 1st January 2021. I'll choose a font for it. So I'm going to choose from the font family. I'll give it a color. As usual, no red. Just following the design principles. You get it? Okay, so I'll put it here. Let me send it on. I'm spacing it small. Okay, and then the last one, I'll put on some wish. So let's see, I wish like this is the day the Lord has made, comma, let us rejoice and be glad in it. Then I put in my quotation, that is Proverbs. Sorry. Okay. So we put it in Psalm 118, verse the number 24. Okay. I'll reduce the size. size 20 is okay. I'll give it a black color. I will align to the center. Okay, now it's cool. Okay, so this is our birthday flyer, but let me add something to it to show this space. Please, if I'm moving too fast for you, please check my other tutorial on PixelLab introduction. I have the part 1 and then part 2. You can check it. Okay, so I make a duplicate of it. Please check the tutorials and then learn how to use the tools if you are a beginner. Okay, so let me put this here. Let me push this one through a little bit. Okay. Let me see. Now I think I'm good to go. So in some few minutes, this is how you can design a simple flyer for someone celebrating their birthday. So let me move the birthday celebrating special day to the down a little. Okay, so as you can see, we are done. So I will save this. You should save it as a project so that you can come back and work on it, but I will save it as an image. Then I save to my gallery. It's saving. So now I want to mock my flyer up, so I just select another shape to cover up my work. Then I'll lock the layer here. I'll open from my PixelLab where I saved my work, and then select it and bring it. Okay, so this is my work. If you say mockup, it's just to make your work look nice, bring out the beauty of it. You get it? Let me see. I don't like this, so let me use this. Let me try this. I think this is cool, so I'm going to use this one to mock it up. So I'll send it to the back. You see, because the background is of the same color that I used for the flyer, so you can't see what. So with this, you can give it a stroke, let's say black or red, so that you can see the actual work, and then you work on the shadow here you are using for your mockup. So I'll bring it to front, then I will do the measurement. Okay, I'll position it in the middle like this. Fine, then I'll send it to the back. Sorry, it went to the back of my work. So I'll just bring it to the back of the flyer like this. Okay, so you see, let me enlarge it small. Okay, so this is it. I have mocked up my flyer. You see how nice it is looking. So let's say if No, you want to add your name, you can put your name down here so that people will get to know about the designer. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is how you can design a simple birthday flyer for someone. Please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching. God bless you.